We started the day with a hike through the Tall Trees Trail. It's a really nice walk, home to two enormous redwoods. I'm standing next to one so you can see how big it is compared to me. It's also home to some of the oldest Douglas firs in Britain, and it smells absolutely amazing. It basically smells like Christmas when you walk through it. Perhaps the most magical part of the New Forest is the thousands of ponies that wander freely here, just as they have for centuries. You can also see cattle, donkeys, and even pigs. They belong to the locals, but the forest is their home. It's lovely to see them grazing in the heather or strolling through the villages. Although they do cause quite the traffic jam, but it's a good reminder to slow down and take in nature. I was lucky to capture this pony walking towards me, and I wondered where she was going at first. I think so did her friends, because they all started to neigh. She replied, and it was as if to say, "I'm just going to get a drink, and I'll be back in a minute." She crosses the road and walks towards the Highland cows, takes a drink, and then goes back to her friends. We stopped to eat at the Pig restaurant in Brokenhurst. It's a country house hotel with a kitchen garden at its heart. And the menu is built around produce that's grown right here or sourced within 25 miles. The food is seasonal, simple, and yummy. Dogs aren't allowed in the main restaurant, so we sat outside in the courtyard and we had some flatbreads, kebabs, Isle of Wight tomato salad, which was absolutely amazing, and some Sauvignon Blanc, of course. One of my favourite spots in the New Forest is Beaulieu. It's a charming village set at the head of the Beaulieu River. It dates back to around the 13th century, so the cottages and the buildings look like they came straight out of a storybook. It's very, very pretty, and I think that Beaulieu is French for beautiful place, so it's very aptly named. As it's now September, I treated myself to a cinnamon bun and a coffee. From Beaulieu, I walked to the historic riverside village of Buckler's Hard. One last stop before heading home to Puddles Bridge. It's Diggody's favourite spot because she loves to run around in the stream. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.